Hey, what's up, guys? Nigel Lavers here, and I'm really happy you are here watching this video with me today. I'm so pleased to be able to help you learn how this simple automated system is responsible for complete beginners to earn 5,000, 10,000, 15, 20, even more per month, $20,000 per month, working just 1 to 2 hours a day. And it has made me $11,443 in 7 days passively. So this is beyond any description of some hype filled headline. I realize that, but this is not hype. Okay. I mean, so what? It's a lot of money, but I failed for 8 months online and with no results, nothing significant anyhow. I realized that this is completely different. So I'm so thrilled to share with you this because there it is in January, February, March, April. April, there it is, $11,000 in one single week. So what I may have done beyond that is something comparable, something incomparable. Well beyond that. I've actually made $18,000 in one week, $20,000 in one week, and $23,000 in one week. I'm not joking that is a ton of money. But look, I'm no one special. How I succeeded so quickly when I was just a carpenter comes down to, I mean, tenacity. I guess not. I mean, look, I was depressed. I was broke. I was, I was had too much drugs that was kind of dependent on. My vices were there. Okay. And I was thinking about side jobs. I was still broke because I was spending my money on the drugs and thankfully got off of them. But I had zero control over my life. And I was in a lot of pain because of this terrible system and terrible cycle where I was trying to escape my problems. I found out that, to me, I've seen myself change the most because I felt that pain and I just was so sick of it. You know, if you're relentless to succeed, it's one thing, but only if you have the system to allow you to leverage automation. And so that's why the hype is very cool. But look, I know why you're really here. You want to learn this system, you want to learn this strategy, okay? Because you want to pay off debts, live a better life, and you want to travel, treat your loved ones, relieve stress, enjoy luxury. And you can do that with an email inbox like this, my email inbox right there. This is the kind of email inbox commission notifications, passive. And I will talk about how passive they are when I explain the 3 secrets that you'll learn today, okay? So what's interesting is that I'm not going to go into some strange funnel build out with all sorts of triggers and automations and squeeze pages and upsells and downsells. Those would-be gurus are going to try to impress you with this stuff. It doesn't help you, not as a marketer, not as a beginner, not as anyone who's failed before. It doesn't help you even if you're advanced. It's not so important, okay? Don't feel dumb when you look at that. Let it go. And instead, keep it simple. Trust me. You want results, anything like what I've gotten, you keep it simple and avoid reinventing the wheel. And I will help you see how, in 3 steps, because we got rid of all those extra arrows and buttons and triggers. This is all you got to do. Okay. I'm going to go through this fast and you're going to be like, no, is that it? It's like, yeah, this is it. Traffic, customers, digital products, online customers, online traffic. Okay. You got to make that come to you. You got to get a list of emails and it'll come through your opt-in page. Secretly, you're going to know now from this video training, this is your list is your money. The money is in your list. You got your list. You're going to serve them that high ticket products for your passive income. You're going to make sure you get products that pay you at least $400 per sale, preferably $1,000 per sale, preferably $2,000 a sale. You know where I'm going. We want high ticket products to fuel your business. So you want commissions rolling into your business, results. You want income in your bank, profit in your pocket. You want cash in your life to use for whatever you want. This is the point. Okay. So part 1, the mobile phone. There are millions of people accessible on free social media. You can get them. The more traffic you get, the more money you make online and offline. Okay. This is the simple use of the platforms TikTok and Instagram, and you wonder what's your customer journey. They want to come and see your irresistible offer. First thing they do, watch this free video. Sure. What do I have to give you to watch the video? An email list, email address. Safe. Most people do that, right? You want it in there. You want the newsletter. You want the free recipe. You want the workout plan. You want the video. You want the service, everything and anything. Exchange for a little email address. Okay. Maybe they talk to you about their guarantee, show you the price, give you the results, and then it's up to you. You want it? Well, with that email address, we can ask them that question again and again and again, because people don't purchase right away. It takes 6 times or more for them to make that decision. They soak it up, they digest it, they see it in a different light. They ask a friend, a family, they look it up online, they double check. Those are normal things. Or like most women shoppers, they fill up their cart with all the shoes and all the leggings and all the skirts and all the tops and all the bottoms. And then they walk away and say, well, I don't know if I want that today. I've done this. Guys, we do this too. And here's something coming back from the J. Peterman Company to me saying, you forgot this in your cart. So the abandoned cart things happen because that's what websites do. They can figure that out. And it'll show up in your ads, in your Google ads, and it'll show up in your Facebook scrolling, in your YouTube scrolling, and it'll show up all over the place, right? You forgot to buy the skirt and the shoes and the runners and the socks and this, and here's your 10% off discount code. That's what happens. But you can do that as an affiliate without having a big fancy, website with all the products. All you need to have is that one little opt-in, and then you've got an email sequence like this that follows up with people that come and take a look at whatever it is you're promoting. So traffic sources come in, opt in, the emails come out, and what do they say? Hey, you were looking at this. Did you want it? Buy it? The best thing is each one of those emails directs people straight to the offer over and over and over again. Why is that cool? Because you only have to write those emails once, yet the traffic keeps flowing. New traffic keeps coming. And those impressions originally keep going. And that email list keeps going. And so it's completely passive. If you wonder, what does this cost me to operate this little software? Yeah, $25 a month or so. Nothing too crazy. If you're profiting $1,000 every time somebody buys a product, well, that's a pretty good margin, don't you think? And you're not trying to be overly inventive here, but let's just say that, what do we say in these emails right now? Well, buy this program, buy this program. Okay. What about the traffic sources then? I said this is pretty simple. You have to choose these ones. Why would I choose these ones? These are the easiest and most popular. TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can basically create reels, create 7-second videos, little 7 to 15-second videos today and get traffic into your store, into your business tomorrow. That's how fast they are. That's how people respond to life these days online. Here's a few of my students, just quickly a spread so you know that people are making 4-figure commissions. And you want to choose a product that gives you 4-figure commissions, or about anything over $400. And if you fuel that system with 50 to 100 people per day, and they start walking in and exploring, and you get the second email, third email, fourth email, and that's actually incredibly simple, by the way. That is not difficult to do. 50 to 100 people a day. You can get 300 per day. You can get tons. Because your free videos would have my instant virality formula, for example, they've got a lot of attention grabbing effects. People then will, eventually purchase. Maybe not all of them, but some of them will. And it's about 1% of the people that do, on average, for the industry. And if you just add those numbers up, you can see that does come out to about $10,000 a month in the next 30 to 60 days if you start today. It's that simple. And so hopefully you're going to get this whole bird's eye view right now where it's like glorious, isn't it? It is this glorious. I know that you're you're on the edge of your seat thinking maybe I want to do this right now. Well, good, good. You don't think anyone's going to get these results with their hands in their pockets yet. You got to put a bit of real work in. Okay, so this is the lifestyle that comes into play. Finding an hour or two a day, that might actually be hard, but if you think about all the scrolling people do, you and I used to do, maybe you're still doing it, you probably actually have time. And if you did, balance your 9 to 5 commitments, you could just double your income. And that's that's pretty awesome. I did it, and then I left my 9 to 5 job because this part is all passive. So even if you're at your job and your business is operating in the background, you could be earning commissions, right? So that's what I did. My business is operating in the background, and that's what my team does now. We have pre-made and pre-built systems, 99% automated, that you don't need to know how that works. I can just build one for you and you have it, right? This one-time setup is essentially a money-making machine. As you pump more traffic in, you get more results, like that couple of sales there with that other product. You don't have to promote just one product, you can promote a few. Generally, I think to just commit to one for 6 to 12 months. And it's simple, right? The number one reason people fail in affiliate marketing, though, is because they come to this point of understanding and they think they want to build all those emails themselves and all those websites and all that opt-in page. And the technical part is actually why most people fail. Because as easy it is for me to say that, traffic is the easy part. The websites is actually infamously hard, right? And the trial and error bogs people down, So you'd probably rather have these commissions, right? Commissions like this, than be scratching your head late at night, sleepless nights, unable to build a website and figure out how to get the emails hooked up, right? I know I am really thankful that these are my commissions and I'm not wasting time building another 25 websites that don't work. So why with Affiliate Works tools and training you'll get this is because my system is proven to generate $500 to $3,000 a day because it's done for you. You can partner with me and you don't even have to pay for ClickFunnels or System.io or any of the website software. That's my gift to you. Super, super nice. And I just want to help you understand that the people that do it themselves have a very high failure rate because the websites suck. Well, it's true. They never learn traffic because they spend too much time building the websites because this is what's going on. You got to learn the copywriting, the email writing, and all the website words on the page, combining the pages from one to the next, and studying the brands. You got to study the brands, of course, but when you build all those landing pages and learn the website softwares, you're not actually then sure if the traffic you're sending is actually converting because of the good websites or not. So you never actually learn how to do traffic properly either, too. And instead of wasting time on the first three, you can just focus on the third part, do it well, and start earning income. And that's exactly how you can look at working and partnering with me. Because you have no websites to build, no emails to write, no tech problems to face. Okay. Essentially, it's just all about choosing mentorship where I can even recommend which products to promote. Okay. Because you don't have to create them. That's affiliate marketing. You don't have to create products. So you just got to look at yourself and answer this, right? Do I want to earn 6 figures a year, like starting now, making $1,000 a day, roughly, without lifting a finger? That's great for us blue collar guys. Well, even the white collar guys sitting at a desk, like that's arduous in between the ears. So you can relieve a lot of stress knowing you just need to create 7 to 15-second videos to generate that kind of commission rate income for like 1 or 2 hours a day. Anywhere in the world, you can go on vacation, be doing this. You can, take a staycation for all that matters. That's the power of automation. That's the power of saying yes to getting into the wealth of automated businesses. And that's why I think that, if you're sitting here thinking, I need to see this change in my life, you got to click the button below this video and partner with me now, because this can be your 10,000 to 30,000 per month automated business in the next 30 to 60 days. And no word of a lie, you won't have to do any of this. It's a pre-made and pre-built 99% automated system for affiliate commissions to just roll into your bank while you just provide the traffic. So yeah, let's make it happen, and click the link below. I am looking forward to seeing you on the inside.